A very good morning to all of you, grade 1. This is your day 3 lecture, chapter number 12, Food We Eat. Today we are going to talk about meal time. Today's topic is meal time. Yes, we get food, or you can say our meals, in whole day, and we divide it into 3 types. First of all, we talk about breakfast. Next is lunch, and the last one is dinner. Breakfast. First of all, we talk about breakfast. We should take our breakfast in between 7 to 7:30 in the morning. हमें 7 से लेके 7:30 मॉर्निंग में हमें हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेना चाहिए. The meal which you have when you get up in the morning. Yes, that is the day beginning meal. Breakfast, we are doing breakfast when we get up in the morning. We had our breakfast. Second, we talk about lunch. We should take our lunch in the noon time till 1 o'clock. So lunch, the meal which you have in the middle of the day. In the morning we have our breakfast. On the middle of the day, after 12, you can say, we had our lunch. On the last, we talk about dinner. Dinner, we should take our dinner between 8 to 8:30, not more than 8:30. That is the last time. Okay, the main meal of the day. This is the main meal of the whole day, because in the mornings we are busy to go to offices, we are busy to go to schools, so sometimes we avoid breakfast. That is very wrong. ये गलत होता है. हमें कभी भी अपने ब्रेकफास्ट को अवॉइड नहीं करना चाहिए. In the midday we have our lunch. Some of students and the parents have their lunch in their offices and school, so they skip their lunch to come back to home, and they skip to take a good sufficient lunch, because they think that we already had lunch in school and offices, so why should we take lunch again? But we should not skip our lunch as well. But in the dinner, that is the main meal of the day, we should sit together at home and we can have relaxation, and we have to take good dinner with our family members. Okay, that dinner can be eaten either at the midday or in the evening. Some of the religion people, like Jainism or the another people, they have their dinner before 6 o'clock, or you can say Suryast se pehle. When the sun sets, they take their dinner before that. Okay, and some of them people having their lunch, they have their dinners in the evening as well. Now we talk about a small diet chart, or you can say diet plan, which we have to take in our breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now have a look of different type of meals which we are taken in our breakfast, lunch as well as in dinner. First of all, we talk about breakfast. In breakfast, we can take fruits, dry fruits. In fruits, you can say pomegranate, an apple, or you can say banana, pineapple, whatever, or you can make a fruit salad as well. You can take dry fruits like raisins, cashews, almonds. You can take them as well. Glass of hot milk, that is very effective for students or for kids. You all have to take milk every day. Oatmeals you can take, or adults can take tea and coffee in the morning, or you can take boiled egg as well in your breakfast. There are so many different kind of dishes as well which we are taken in breakfast. I am just telling you some basic things in our meal time. Next, we talk about in lunch. In lunch, we can have a bowl of rice, not a big bowl. We are talking about the small bowl, according to our need. A bowl of a dal, 1 or 2 chapati, or you can say 3 chapati in a daytime, salad, Vegetable, seasonal vegetable you can talk, which is coming to the season, like ladyfinger, you can say bottle gourd, you can say bitter gourd, and another brinjal you can say, etc. Next, you all have to take curd, or you can say buttermilk, which we can call chach. You can take that as well in the lunch, or some of the people can take chicken as well in the lunch time. Last we talk about in dinner. In dinner we should have chapati. But in dinner we should take less chapatis, not more than. Because we just eat our dinner, and then after 2-3 hours we are just going to sleep. So we cannot sleep, here we take our dinner and then we go to sleep. That is get a very bad effect to our bodies. That is not good. So there between at least 1 or 2 hour difference between your dinner and your sleep time. So you all have to complete your dinner till 8 o'clock or 8:30, and you have to go to sleep 10 or 10:30 sharp. So vegetable, chapati, vegetable, again seasonal vegetable you can add here. Bowl of dal, pulses, any kind of dal you can use. Paneer vegetable. Paneer is very important. See, milk products are very important to have every day. Here we are taking hot milk. Here we are going to take curd. On this side we are taking paneer. So we are intake of milk product as well in our food. Okay. Next we talk about fish or fish curry. Some people can take this as well. And salad is also must in both the sides. You can make a fruit salad, you can make a vegetable salad, use cucumber, tomatoes, and another kind of things. You can use lettuce for that. It is up to you how to make your salad, according to you. So these are the meal time. I am just telling you the time, what time you have to take your meal, as well as we are talking on what kind of meal we have. We have breakfast, lunch and dinner, and what type of food we are going to take, we talk about that. So thank you so much students. Stay safe and stay healthy.